Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a DIY on how to fix a headliner leak. So this is a common problem seen in old cars and there are two major reasons for this. First one is windshield seals. If the windshield seals go bad, the water starts to seep inside through those seals. And the other one is roof seams. Roof seam is nothing but a welding part between the roof and the side panel of the car, and if the roof seams have a hairline crack in them, the water starts to enter through the roof seams also. So how do you find a leak spot? One of the easiest method is to observe the headliner. If you take apart the headliner, it will be easier for you to observe the water spots on the headliner. Wherever there is a water spots, that's an indication that the water is leaking through the roof. If you observe the roof liner here, the water spots are at the front side, above the windshield seal, and on the both A pillars. I have removed the roof molding to check for the condition of the car. The middle section you are seeing is called as the roof seam, where the roof panel and side panel are welded together. So I have checked the interior of the car as well. I can see visible water droplets on right side of the car, on the driver's side, and the crack was severe over there, and there was also a crack on the left side of the A pillar and above the windshield seal. So I'll be using two types of sealants today. White sealant is called as a crack sealant. I'll be applying it on the roof seams and wherever there are leaks. And the black sealant is for the roof moldings, because the roof moldings on my car have gone bad, and I need to seal them with this black sealant. First you need to wash the roof seams thoroughly so that there is no dirt in the roof seams. Then you need to use WD-40 contact cleaner and take a rag cloth and wipe it clean. The crack sealant works well only on the clean surface. So after cleaning the roof seams, take the crack sealant and start applying it over the roof seam. It is better to apply it all over the roof seam to avoid future hairline cracks. So if you can see in the video, I'm applying it all over the roof seam, over the weld spots. After applying the crack seal, take a squeegee and spread it evenly. I do not have a squeegee here, so I'm using a brush to spread it evenly. While applying the sealant, do not use your finger to spread it. In the video, I have used the finger to spread it between the windshield and the roof. I couldn't wash it off with water. You have to use either petrol or diesel to wash it off, and then clean your hands with soap. After applying the sealant, let it sit for at least 30 minutes for it to set. After 30 minutes, once the sealant has dried, you can pour water over the sealant and check if there are any water leaks still happening inside the car. If the water is still leaking, you can find water droplets inside the car. My car does have a rust spot on the bottom side of the A pillar. I need to get it fabricated, so I'm skipping it for now because I need to change the windshield. It's cracked, so when I am changing the windshield, I'll get it fabricated. I'm using WD-40 here to drive out any moisture inside the car wherever there are water spots inside the car. If there are no leaks, you can go ahead and put back your roof liner and the roof trims.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
DIY will only work in the initial stages of the water leaks. If the car is having severe rusting issues, it's better to get the car professionally repaired. Hope this video is informative. If you find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.